In almost every home, there's a small box sitting quietly in corner. It doesn't glow with importance. It doesn't demand attention. It just sits there. But inside that box is the beating heart of your digital life. Every message you send, every video you watch, every device you connect, all of it flows through this one machine. This is the router, the unsung hero of the modern world. So what is a router? At its core, a router is a guide, a device that decides where data should go. Imagine your home network as a city. Every device is a house. Every piece of data is a letter. The router is the post office. It receives letters, sorts them, and sends them to the right address. Without it, your devices would have no idea how to talk to each other or how to reach the internet. A router has three main responsibilities. 1. It connects your devices to each other. 2. It connects your home to the internet. 3. It decides the best path for every piece of data. It's a translator, a traffic controller, and a navigator all at once. Every second, it's making thousands of decisions to keep your digital world running smoothly. Many people confuse the modem with the router. The modem is the gateway, the device that talks to your internet provider. The router is the manager, the device that talks to everything inside your home. The modem brings the internet in. The router spreads it around. Together, they form the bridge between your home and the world. Inside your home, the router creates a private universe called the local area network, the LAN. Every device gets its own address, like a house number. Your phone might be 192.168.1.12. Your laptop might be 192.168.1.15. These addresses are temporary, assigned by the router, using a system called DHCP. It's like the router is handing out name tags, so every device knows who's who. But here's the clever part. Your home has many devices, but only one public address on the internet. So how does the world know which device is which? The router uses something called NAT, Network Address Translation. It's like a receptionist at a busy office. It receives all incoming messages. It checks who they're for. It forwards them to the right device. NAT is the reason your home can have dozens of devices, all sharing one internet connection. Every router has a map, a routing table. It's a list of paths, networks, and destinations. A constantly updated guidebook that tells the router, this device is here. That network is over there. This path is faster. That path is congested. When data arrives, the router checks the map and chooses the best route. It's not guessing. It's navigating. When the router broadcasts Wi-Fi, it's speaking in radio waves. It sends out signals. It listens for replies. It negotiates speed, distance, and stability. Older routers broadcast in every direction, like a light bulb. Modern routers use beamforming, focusing the signal toward your device. Like a flashlight, the router isn't just shouting anymore. It's aiming. In the past, routers could only talk to one device at a time. Everyone had to wait their turn. Modern routers use MU-MIMO, multi-user, multiple input, multiple output. It allows the router to talk to several devices simultaneously, like a teacher who can answer multiple students at once. This is why modern Wi-Fi feels smoother, even when your home is full of devices. But even the smartest router has enemies. Walls absorb signals. Metal reflects them. Microwaves blast noise across the 2.4 GHz band. Your neighbor's router might be shouting on the same channel. The router is constantly fighting interference, adjusting channels, shifting frequencies, and reshaping its signal to survive. Every moment, it's adapting to the environment around it. Your router isn't just a guide. It's a guardian. It protects your home network with firewalls, encryption, and access controls. When someone tries to connect, the router checks their identity. When data enters your home, the router inspects it for threats. It's the first line of defense between your devices and the outside world. Routers are evolving. Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 bring faster speeds, lower latency, and smarter traffic management. Mesh systems spread coverage across your entire home, using multiple nodes that work together. Routers are becoming more like distributed brains, coordinating, optimizing, and learning. The silent box in the corner is turning into a powerful, intelligent network hub. So the next time you stream a movie, send a message, or connect a new device, remember the hidden architect behind it all. The router, the guide, the guardian, the navigator, quietly shaping the flow of your digital life. It may look simple, but inside it's performing a symphony of decisions. Every second, that's the router. Silent, essential, everywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter of this digital adventure.